Hello guys, welcome back to Saturday channel. I thank you so much for visiting my channel again, right? Alright, today I will continue my discussion about English conversation practices, right? Okay, this is part 9. In this video, I will provide you another example of how to order fast food part 2 in English, right? Jadi pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan melanjutkan pembahasan saya tentang latihan-latihan percakapan bahasa Inggris ya, dalam bahasa Inggris ya. Ini merupakan bagian ke-9. Ya, dalam video kali ini saya akan menghadirkan contoh percakapan pendek tentang bagaimana memesan makanan cepat saji bagian kedua dalam bahasa Inggris. I do hope that by watching this video, you can improve your English speaking mastery. By the way, before I start the lesson, I would like you to click subscribe, like, and share this material to your friends who knows they need this material in studying English, right? Alright, everybody, now let's start the lesson. Alright everybody, as I told you that we are going to continue our discussion about how to order fast food section 2, right? Okay, cara memesan makanan cepat saji bagian kedua. Okay, this is part 9, right? Okay, now let's start the lesson. Welcome. What would you like to order, sir? I would like to order pizza. Would you like medium or large pizza? I would like the medium size, thank you. Alright, we have 1 medium super value pizza and 2 medium pizza. Which one do you prefer? The 2 medium pizza, please. Okay. Would you like anything to drink? Sure. How about Fanta 1 liter? Alright. Is that everything? That will be all. Thanks. You're welcome. Your total is 140,000 rupiahs. 122,000 for 2 medium pizza and 18,000 for Fanta. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you so much. Okay, right. This is the end of this short conversation, right? Okay, ini ya demikian ya percakapan ini. Ya saya akan mengulangi lagi percakapan ini dengan lebih pelan agar Anda bisa mengikuti setelah saya. Okay? Now let's start the dialogue again. Okay, please repeat after me, right? Welcome. What would you like to order, sir? I would like to order pizza. Would you like medium or large pizza? I would like the medium size, thank you. Alright, we have 1 medium super value pizza and 2 medium pizza. Which one do you prefer? The 2 medium pizza, please. Okay. Would you like anything to drink? Sure. How about Fanta 1 liter? Alright. Is that everything? That will be all. Thanks. You're welcome. And your total is 140,000 rupiahs. 122,000 for 2 medium pizza and 18,000 for Fanta. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you so much. Okay, right? This is the end of this conversation, right? Okay, now let's repeat once more this text, right? And then I will provide you the translation of the text, so it will help you in understanding the content or the meaning of this dialogue, right? Okay, jadi saya akan mengulangi lagi sekali ya dengan terjemahan ya. Terjemahan ini akan membantu Anda untuk memahami isi teks atau isi percakapan ini dengan keseluruhan. Okay, let's start. Welcome. What would you like to order, sir? Selamat datang. Apa yang ingin Anda pesan, Pak? I would like to order pizza. Saya ingin memesan pizza. Would you like medium or large pizza? Apakah Anda ingin pizza berukuran sedang atau besar? I would like the medium size. Thank you. Saya ingin ukuran sedang. Terima kasih. Alright, we have 1 medium super value pizza and 2 medium pizza. Which one do you prefer? Baiklah, kami memiliki 1 pizza medium super value dan 2 pizza medium. Yang mana yang Anda lebih suka? The 2 medium pizza, please. Yang 2 pizza ukuran sedang. Okay, would you like anything to drink? Okay, apakah Anda mau pesan minuman? Sure. How about Fanta 1 liter? Tentu. Bagaimana dengan Fanta 1 liter? No problem. Is that everything? Tidak masalah. Apakah sudah semuanya? That will be all. Thanks. Itu saja. Terima kasih. You're welcome. And your total is 140,000 rupiahs. 122,000 for 2 medium pizza and 18,000 rupiahs for Fanta. Sama-sama. Dan total Anda adalah 140.000, 122.000 untuk 2 pizza sedang dan 18.000 untuk Fanta. Thank you. Here you go. Terima kasih. Ini uangnya. Thank you so much. Terima kasih banyak. Alright everybody, this is the end of this conversation, right? Okay, please you repeat this dialogue again, this conversation with your partner, or you can do it by yourself. Yeah, please you try to understand the meaning of this dialogue. Yeah, and then you can practice with your friend, or you can practice whenever you go to a restaurant or you go to somewhere, right? Jadi Anda bisa melatih sendiri percakapan ini ketika Anda pergi berbelanja makanan cepat saji, atau Anda pergi ke restoran atau kemana saja, Anda bisa menggunakan contoh percakapan ini dalam bahasa Inggris. Oke, ya semoga materi ini bermanfaat bagi Anda dan membantu Anda dalam mengembangkan kemampuan bahasa Inggris Anda. Oke, jangan lupa tekan tombol subscribe, like, dan share materi ini kepada teman-teman Anda. Siapa tahu materi ini bermanfaat bagi mereka dalam mempelajari bahasa Inggris. Ya, oke, ya, dan jangan lupa tekan tombol subscribe, tekan tombol bell, ya, karena dengan menekan tombol bell Anda akan mendapatkan pemberitahuan dari saya paling awal ketika saya mengupload video-video terbaru saya. Alright everybody, don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share this material to your friends who knows they need this material in studying English, right? Okay, and thank you so much for those of you who already subscribed, because by subscribing you already contributed in developing this channel, right? Okay, and I also have an icon for special thanks to this channel. Yeah, if you would like to donate something, yeah, for this channel, you can click thanks. Yeah, you can click the icon thanks under this video, right? And then you can donate here as much as you want, right? Thank you so much for your contribution and for subscribing, right? Bapak Ibu, ya ada icon baru dari YouTube, ya, di mana Anda bisa menyampaikan ucapan terima kasih pada channel ini. Kalau materi ini membantu Anda bisa menyampaikan ucapan terima kasih dengan mengklik tombol terima kasih di bawah video ini, ya, dan Anda bisa mendonasikan, ya, sebagian, ya, sedikit, ya, kontribusi Anda untuk pengembangan channel ini ke depannya. Sekali lagi terima kasih bagi Anda semua yang sudah menonton video ini. Semoga video ini bermanfaat bagi Anda, right? Alright, thank you so much for your kind attention and have a nice day.